Sustainability is becoming increasingly important for the industry. And at the same time, profitability is important as well, of course. Magnus, how can companies achieve both sustainability and profitability?
By embracing digitalization and become a true digital enterprise, combining the real and the digital worlds. And you may ask why? Because that enables a more intelligent use of data. You can collect the data, you understand the data and using it.
Cool, Magnus. Can you show this in a more practical way?
Absolutely. Imagine you have an all-electrical car and you want to optimize its range or how far you can drive. So where do you start and what do you optimize? As a digital enterprise, you can collect the car's performance data while it's being driven. Then you analyze and feed this data into the car's digital twin and simulate every aspect of it until you find the components that you can optimize for better range. For example, here I have a part of the suspension that was optimized with our NX software, and it weighs 30% less than the original part. And Thomas, less weight means more range.
Exactly. But this part doesn't look like an ordinary suspension part, I think.
Because it isn't an ordinary suspension part. With our tools, you can also simulate and validate the manufacturability of parts. In this case, the best way is additive manufacturing, because the components need to be lightweight and robust at the same time. And the most profitable way is to 3D print it and have a robot process the printed part and do the post-processing or cleaning up, if you like.
So, from my perspective, the trend is going towards to a fully automated production?
Yes, obviously it depends a bit on what industry we're talking about. And the real production becomes more flexible by, for example, using what we call AGVs, automated guided vehicles, and mobile robots for the assembly. And to increase sustainability, we enable our customers to analyze the energy data of their production and optimize their energy consumption and even get the complete carbon footprint across the entire value chain, including the supply chain.
And now the product is fully optimized and uses less energy for a higher range?
Correct, but it doesn't stop there, Thomas. When the new car is on the road, it creates new data that a manufacturer can use to feed the digital twin and start optimizing it even again. And we support companies to measure and improve their overall carbon footprint. So one can say that our approach is truly holistic.
Magnus, thank you very much for the time. And now let's go to the next stop of the tour.
Thank you, Thomas.